Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson today, we people will learn the basic Arabic expressions. First vocabulary word is when you're going to meet to someone, you say in English hello, but in Arabic we will write marhaban. If you're going to meet to someone, we say in English hello, in Arabic we say marhaban. And when you're going to say welcome to anyone, you will say marhaba. There is a discrimination between words. Marhaban means hello. Just suppose you're going to meet to someone and you say in English hello, but in Arabic you will say marhaban. And when you will say to someone welcome, you will say in Arabic marhaba. Next word is kaifa haluk. Kaifa haluk means how are you? Over here, you people need to take care of some male and female genders. Just suppose you're going to ask to any male person, how are you? In Arabic, you will say kaifa haluk. Kaifa haluk. It means how are you? This is using for male person. Kaifa haluk. But when you will talk about any female, you will say Kaifa haluki. This is Kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluki also means how are you, but we people will write this expression for the female. Kaifa haluk for the female. We will write Kaifa haluki. And when you will say to any male person, you will say Kaifa haluk. I repeat once again for your remembrance. If you will ask how are you to any male person, you will say Kaifa haluk. But when you will say how are you to any female, you will say Kaifa haluki. But one is a different thing. When you will ask how are you to more than one people, you will say Kaifa halukum. Kaifa halukum. Kaifa halukum means you are asking how are you more than one persons. You will say Kaifa halukum. I hope you people will learn these all vocabulary words, and with that these vocabulary words you people will be able to express yourself in Arabic. Hope so you will learn them. Thank you.